Today we are going to cover the topic of the change of base property. Note that most calculators have only the log keystroke and the ln keystroke, which stand for the common logarithm and the natural logarithm. Recall that the common logarithm is the logarithm with base 10, and the natural logarithm is the logarithm with base e. But what can we do when we have any other base? We can use the change of base property. Let me show you how. First things first. For any logarithmic bases a and b and any positive number m, log base b of m equals log base a of m over log base a of b. In other words, the logarithm of m with base b is equal to the logarithm of m with any base divided by the logarithm of b with that new base. Note that b is the base of the original logarithm and base a is the new base that we introduce. So with the change of base property, we can change from base b to any new base a. The only thing we have to make sure is that the new base is a positive number and not equal to 1. It makes sense to write a logarithm in terms of quantities that can be evaluated with a calculator. Because calculators contain keys for common and natural logarithms, we will frequently use base 10 or base e. Let me show you that by changing the base to the common logarithm and changing the base to the natural logarithm. So let's use the common logarithm to evaluate log base 5 of 625. This is important now. We write log base 5 of 625 as log of 625 over log of 5. Now we can easily type this into the calculator and we get 4. And we're done with this problem. Let's do another example using the common logarithm to evaluate log base 3 of 243. Again, we can write log base 3 of 243 as log of 243 over log of 3. So we get 5 and we are done with this problem. Let's do one more example using the common logarithm to evaluate log base 7 of 343. Log base 7 of 343 is equivalent to log of 343 over log of 7, which is 3, and we're done with this problem. Let's use the natural logarithm to evaluate the same logarithms to see that we get the same solutions. So instead of dividing log of 625 by log of 5, we divide now ln of 625 by ln of 5, which gives us the same result 4. For log of 243 divided by log of 3, we enter ln of 243 divided by ln of 3, which gives us 5 as a solution. And for log of 343 divided by log of 7, we enter ln of 343 over ln of 7, which gives us 3 as a solution. I really encourage you to try some examples with your calculator using the log key and the ln key to get used to it. Let's do a quick recap. You can rewrite a logarithm using the base of your choice. But it makes sense to rewrite it with log or with ln, because these are the keystrokes most calculators have. If you like my videos, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy learning, everyone.